few alphas and betas for some stocks. And now I got a SPY index, Apple, Google, Amazon, 3M, Tesla, Lockheed Martin, Boeing, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan. And let me go ahead and just add Walmart in there too. Alright, so I'm looking at a period between January 1st till about today. So let me import my data first. Oh, and this is the regression formula I'm going to be using, the multivariable regression, to find the alpha and the beta in the same one. It's much easier to do than this one since I'm looking at a bunch of stocks. And we're actually going to be looking at 3 different betas, the S&P 500 beta, which is the most common beta, but also a Nasdaq beta and a Dow Jones beta. So let's see. This is a decorator I made just to format the final values into 3 decimal places. I think I'll do 5 because I want to get this really precise. Or no, 4 is good. Yeah, 5, fine. Okay, so this is my actual regression function that calculates the alpha and the beta values. And you see we got x transpose x, and then the inverse of that multiplied by x transpose of y, which is right here. But yeah, let me go ahead and run this. And now this is my pandas frame that's going to display my results. Let's go ahead and look at these. And then print df.sort values by, let's view from the highest alpha to the lowest alpha. Sending true. Oh, forgot that parenthesis. Okay, so this is the, oh, I want to see this highest. So ascending equals false. Okay, so Tesla is the highest alpha stock, but it's also the lowest beta stock, and that's a really high low beta, like negative 8.3. It has a pretty positive beta with Nasdaq and Dow, pretty similar. Lockheed Martin is the second highest alpha stock, and it actually has the highest beta. Another risky. So Amazon actually has a relatively lower beta, and then they have the third highest alpha. Walmart comes in fourth. I mean, the S&P is really the main beta that you want to look at. I mean, these Nasdaq and Dow are just more so like a reference, but I mean, it's pretty cool. Let's see. I want to view the lowest beta for S&P. Lowest beta is lowest risk, right? Okay, so our low, well, that's weird. Didn't quite sort how I wanted it. Like, see, it goes in order, but then the negative numbers kind of mess up. Like, this should be first, this should be second, that should be third, but, I don't know, it seems Google's like the lowest beta stock. I mean, 0.24. It's not really moving that much. Versus like some of these higher ones are just like, oof. But yeah, I mean, it's alpha and beta and pandas, Python.